Giraffe usually gets stuck on the loading screen when the app can't properly connect to its servers, or when corrupted cached files stop the login or offer wall from initializing. By the end of this, you'll know how to fix the infinite loading screen and get the app working again without losing your progress or rewards. First thing is checking your internet connection in a real way, not just signal bars. Open another app like YouTube or Chrome and load a page. If it loads slowly or stalls, Giraffe will often freeze on startup because it depends on stable real-time server communication. Next step is force stopping the app and clearing cache. Go to Settings, Open Apps, find Giraffe, then tap Force Stop. After that, go into Storage and tap Clear Cache. This removes broken temporary files that commonly cause the loading screen to loop endlessly. If it still won't load, restart your phone. This resets background processes that might be holding a stuck session open. Giraffe sometimes fails to create a fresh login session if an old one is still partially active in memory. Another major cause is VPNs, or private DNS settings. Turn off any VPN you're using and disable private DNS if it's enabled in your network settings. Giraffe can block or stall loading when it detects inconsistent network routing. Also check if the app is outdated. Open the Play Store, search for Giraffe, and update it if an update is available. Older versions can break when the server-side updates before your app version does. If the loading screen still doesn't move, uninstalling and reinstalling is the next step. Before doing that, make sure your account is linked properly, so your progress is stored on the server. After reinstalling, log back in using the same method you originally used. If it only happens on mobile data, or only on Wi-Fi, the issue is network specific. Switch connections and try again to isolate whether your router or carrier is causing the freeze. To sum it up, Giraffe stuck on loading usually comes from unstable internet, corrupted cache files, VPN or DNS conflicts, or an outdated app version that no longer matches the server. If your app starts working again, keep it updated and avoid switching networks during startup so the login session doesn't freeze again. Subscribe for more Giraffe fix guides that solve specific issues without wasting your time or risking your rewards.